Hi everyone, how are you going? It's a beautiful day in Sydney today. It's my day off, so I want to get in the garden and do something. So here is the project for today. What I want to do is repot these spring cactus. There are 3 of them. There's one down there that I bought last year, and it's still in the original nursery pot. I want to put them in a bigger pot and give them a chance to flourish. As you can see, they got buds all over them, especially this one. So there are 3 different colors. This one is white, it says, and this one is probably a pink. And I thought there was that's my kids' styrofoam planes. I thought that was orange. Anyway, we'll see. So let's get into it. Struggling to unclip. Is there any trick to it? I don't know. Anyway, this came off easily. I have already filled the pot with the soil, and I got an empty pot in the middle, approximately the size of this pot, so it's easier to plant it in. This is the root bound. This poor thing has been stuck in there. Get the next one. Same story. Still had to go and get more soil. My plan didn't exactly work out, but anyway, here we are, almost done. The struggle, guys, struggle. Anyway. One done. it's all done. I struggled a little bit. I don't really know if you could see it, but one reason was these clips are so small. I had to get it under and then over. And the other thing was these hooks has got only narrow opening. So to hook it onto the branches of the shrub, I struggled a little bit. Here you can see that it's kind of twisted. And also that one. It doesn't look bad. It doesn't look bad, but I thought I had some S hook, but I don't. I have to, when I go to the garden center next time, I might buy a few S hook so I can hang it in a proper way. So there it is. So now they all have room to grow and probably flourish and flower.